this is Elizabeth Clare Brewington with Discover Bright Side, and this segment is sponsored by Joseph S. Sanchez from Penmen Media LLC. They have featured 7 books to help you transform your life, and we really hope that you will subscribe to their weekly blog. Everything is available on the site, Penmen Media LLC. And here with me today is Brian in the studio, and Brian is a software engineer, and he has developed an app that we believe that many of you who are looking for new careers, it would help you with your resume. So over to you, Brian. Tell us your story and how you invented this app, and then he's going to give us a demonstration.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Elizabeth. My name is Bryam. I'm a software engineer. So I have an app that I have created which helps. It's a AI resume builder, it's a tool that helps job seekers to create professional resumes and cover letters using the help of AI. So how this app came to be, it's a long story, but just to make it short, basically I was looking for a new job. So I graduated as an electrical engineer a couple of years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years. And I started working as an electrical engineer, but then I realized I wanted to change my career. I wanted to do software engineering. And once you have a degree, it's kind of hard to actually, switch careers. So I decided to give it a try. And the first thing that I needed was a resume. So I started working on a resume. I used Word to actually create my resume, and it took me like a couple of hours, like an entire afternoon, and then I was done with it. And then I started just applying to jobs for software engineering. So once I realized that, I started applying to a ton of jobs, and I was changing my resume a bunch. I was changing all the things like, the keywords, some of the things that I did just to match the job descriptions. So then I was looking for an alternative to something to speed up this process, right? So then I started working on. I wanted to be a software engineer at that point. So then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna create something, and maybe this will help me. I wasn't thinking about anyone else, but just to help me at that moment, because I wanted to get like a job as a software engineer. And I was like, okay, this is a good project. I can put this on my resume. I can put this on my portfolio, and then people can see that I built something, right? So then I started working on this app, and I wanted to make it easy to for job seekers to create like a resume, no Word, because it takes like a long time. You have to do a lot of formatting, and you don't have AI in Word, right? And at that point, AI wasn't a thing, but now it is, and I've also implemented that into my application. So long story short, I came up with a demo, and then after that, it just evolved. It became a little bit better every time. I was adding more stuff based on feedback from users, from students, and finally, I have like a product that's working. It's been I would say on the web, not really on the market. It's more like on the web out there, and it's been doing pretty well so far. So I just wanted to show you like a quick demo how this works. So Resume Boost AI is the name of the application. As I said, it's an AI tool used to create professional resumes and cover letters, and it's ideal for job seekers and for people who are trying to switch their careers, who maybe have a job but they want to switch their careers to a different career. Okay, so I'm just gonna share my screen, and I'll show you like a quick demo of my application. And let me know when you see my screen.
Yeah, we see your screen.
So this is the application. As I said, it's called Resume Boost AI, and you have like the description, the headline here. So you can explore this page. We have some free tools here. So it's an AI. I say it's the best AI resume builder, but you'll have to give it a try and let me know. So this is the home page. I won't spend much time here. So I'll just go straight where it says create resume. And here you can upload your resume in PDF format, or you can actually continue if you already started, or you can start a new one. So this appears because I was already working on mine so that I could do this demo. But if you were like a brand new user, you won't see this button. You'll see like a button to create like a new one from scratch. So I'll just click here. And this is the interface. This is the UI. So here you can have, so it's real time. So the resume updates on real time here. So if I change my name, let's say, so see, you can see that's on the left, on the right, it comes up. And this is like a short bio. So I just put software engineering just to test this. So you can use AI to actually improve that short bio. So if I click on this button, you'll see that it improves the bio. So it gives you like, it saves like a lot of time, because you don't have to go over and over again just writing what you want to say, right? Accomplished software engineer, and this just came from 2 words. So you can see that's, and I can keep improving if I wanted to. So if I give it another click, you can see that it keeps improving it, or just tries different things. And you can also record. Right now I don't know if it's gonna work, but I can just give it a try. So if I click where it says record bio, a software engineer with 5 years of experience, and you can see that says a software engineer. Let me just try it again. So software engineer with 5 years of experience. So you can see that it says software engineer with 5 years of experience. So you can also record. So it's voice to text, which also speeds things up. So I'm just going to improve this once again, and I'm just going to leave that one. And then you can, fill out all these fields. You can have an email, like a phone, a LinkedIn, and you can also work on the bullet points. So you can also improve these bullet points. So I just have one here just to test it. And you can see that it's improved its bullet point, and you can add more bullet points if you wanted to. You can just keep going here, okay? And there is another, you can keep going with all of these, with all the fields, education, projects, if you have any projects, skills. So I think that now ATS systems and recruiters actually look for is actually the keywords that a resume has, right? So let's say that you want to match a job description. So I'll go really quick to LinkedIn, and you want to have like a job description. I'll just select this one here. I'll just copy paste this one. So, and then I'll go back and just paste the job description, and I won't put anything here for the skills. So once I can use AI to actually extract the keywords that you want from that job description. So if you click on this one, you see that it just extracted like some keywords that the recruiter or the ATS system might look for. So Python, JavaScript, HTML, and that's based on the job description here. So you can see that SQL was mentioned, C Sharp, Python, and all of these. So that also speeds up the process, because then you don't have to, you can just paste the job description, then use AI, and then this is gonna work out of the bag, right? And you can do many things here. So those are just some of the features, and you can keep like filling out these fields. And once you're done, you can click where it says download resume, and it's gonna download the resume here. Right now I didn't fill out all the fields, of course, but it's gonna download it in a PDF format, and now you can take that and you can apply for jobs. It also has many free tools, such as the free ATS resume checker, where you will upload your resume, and then it will give you like a score. It will extract some fields. It will look at your resume. It will give you some feedback, what file type it is, the word count, how many pages it has, data identification, and many more things. So this one is free. And the one here, the resume builder, this one costs $10 per 10 credits. And every time that you use AI, it's 1 credit. And if you don't want to use AI, you can just fill it out yourself and then download it, and that's 1 credit. So 1 credit per resume, or based on how many credits you use if you use AI. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my app. I hope this help. This is for job seekers. As I said, it's ideal to create professional resumes, cover letters. It does more things, but the main niche is resume and cover letters. Thank you.
You can stop sharing your screen.
Yes.
Wow, that was impressive. Yeah. All right. Any questions? Okay. So you're watching Discover Bright Side, and Brian wants you to try this resume builder for all you job seekers out there, and we also at this point want you to get Joseph S. Sanchez's book, Reinvent Yourself. It's a great time for you to fix your resume, reinvent yourself, and soar like an eagle. That's right. And then you can soar like an eagle in your career and find the best job that was made especially for you. Brian, thank you so much. And um, Jacopo, thank you so much. And Joseph Sanchez, thank you so much. This has been a wonderful day, and we hope you write to us and tell us what you thought about it. And I'll make sure that the links to all these great books and products are available to you so you can sign up for it. Thank you for watching.